Hey guys, so as a beginner, the most common problem you do face is how to play simple song by ears. What I mean is by knowing the song progression. I do know some bass players out there who know the basics, the scales and all those kind of things, but still cannot play the song very well because they do lack the musical ears. You understand? Yeah, it's normal sometimes because getting that musical ears or you understanding the progression, it is not easy, okay? So you just need to build it up, grow with it. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to play simple song by progression or you to build up that musical ears. Okay, it is very necessary for you to get it. Okay, but before we start the breakdown, actually I do private class lesson. If you want to know more, you see my WhatsApp link in the comment section below. Click on it, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. First of all, the most important thing is to build up that musical ears. Okay, so I'll be giving you this idea. I want you to take this tip very personal, work on it very well, okay, before we move into the progression. Okay, so if you're a beginner, you have started learning the bass guitar, you have started the journey, what I want you to learn is what sometimes you don't see on the internet. You see, if you want to learn the bass guitar, you start with the major scales. Maybe let's say we are playing on key G. Your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 or do re mi fa so and the rest. Okay, so what you should practice on that scale, when you've done practicing how to place your fingers, when you've learned all the keys and you know you're perfect, start from your C. You understand? Now when you are playing a note, try to capture that note maybe in your mind, or you can also say it out. You understand? Okay, you can go to your 2, that is your re, to your mi, your fa, your so, your 6, your 7, your T, and your 1. But you just need to know how to sound out the note. Okay, this helped me a lot when I started learning the bass guitar, even when I started learning the keyboard. Okay, so if you don't want to say it out, just say it in your mind. You understand? Okay, and as you are capturing the sound, try to memorize them. Okay, and challenge yourself with this. So when you play your 7, you know you're playing your T, that is your 7. You understand? As you are playing it, try to be singing along. You understand? This help a lot. Bet me, just try and use this technique. You'll be able to build up that sound in you. So da 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 da. You understand? Da 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 da. You understand? Just practice it. Don't just stay or play it on C. Do it from your C, your F, just go higher. You understand? To your G, just go higher. G sharp, A, B, all the keys. You understand? Okay, so for example, D. You understand? And don't say you don't know how to sing, so it is not possible. I don't know how to sing, but that is different from singing and you saying the sound. You understand? So with the sound, I have already mastered it. I have modulated from my D to E flat. You understand? I have captured the sound, but as you are a beginner, just learn it from your one root to your octave. So if they give you a song that you'll be playing, let me show you an example. You understand? Okay, so just be playing along. As you're a beginner, just be playing along, try to capture the sound. Okay, so now before you be able to play any song, you need to learn many songs. You need to learn different types of song. You understand? Start from worship. Don't rush and go to the praises side. Start from worship. Simple, slow worship that you know that the progression are very simple. You understand? Okay, so we'll be looking at one worship song. I can play the song here because of copyright, so I'll just sing it like that without a real song. You understand? So I'll try and break the song, and I'll use two different type of progression, and I'll show you how you can also change a progression with you having that musical ears. You understand? Okay, so we'll be looking at this song called Blessed Be the Name of the Lord. So let's find a key. Normally let's play on key G. Okay, so that is how the song goes. So blessed be the name of the Lord. So you're on one. Blessed be the name of the Lord. Da 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 na na na. Da da na da 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 Okay, so I just made it simple. Okay, so I've already written the progression of the song. So you'll be going to your 6. So imagine you have been learning a lot of lesson on YouTube. You might come up on passing notes, on bass fills. You understand? Okay, so when you are to go to a certain progression, you can either bring in passing notes, lick, fills, anything, but make sure that you maintain the tempo. Okay, so simple song like this, I'm not to be bringing licks. You can bring in fills. You understand? So as a beginner, let me bring in a passing note. Blessed na, na, da, 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 1. So to my 6. Da, da, da. So I played 1 7 6. Da, 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 na, na, na. You understand? So you can either do it 2, then a passing note to your 5. 3 4 5 5. You understand? So capture where you can play a passing note. You see, from my 1 to 6, in any song you find out the worship song so cool like this, play a passing note to that 6. So simple, you can play 1 7 6, or you can play blessed be the name So a simple 1 2 3 5 5 3 5 6 6. You see, just what you know, any passing note you have been taught. Okay, so now to your 2, and now you'll be going to your 5. So a passing note to your 5, let's say simple 1. Da, 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 da. So 3 4 5. You understand? 3 4 5 5. So when you add all of them together, blessed be the name of the Lord, to your 6. Da, 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 da. Your 2. Da, 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 da. So now you'll be going from your 1 to your 3. You understand? So if you want to play a bass line that will be going to 1 and 3, you can bring in a passing note. Da, 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 da. Simple. 1 2 3. Da, da, da. Then you play your 4. So da, 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 to my 5 again. Da, 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 da. So you see that from my 5, let's say from my 4 to 5, there is a passing note I have already taught you. 3 4 5, da, 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 and a passing note to your 6. Da, 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 da. Your 2. Da, 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 da. I'll be delightful if you write them down, okay, and master it. You understand? So when you capture the song progression, memorize passing notes you'll be applying to a certain progression. Pass note to your 6. Pass note to your 5. Then you can normally play your 2, 5, and 1, just to make it simple. You understand? Memorize the passing note to any of the progression, and as you are playing the bass line, you understand? Try to be singing the bass line in you so that you'll be building up that musical ears you are lacking. You understand? It is very, very important you get it. If you don't get it, you can be playing all the groove, all those kind of things, but you'll be missing the progression. You understand? Okay, so I think this is what I have for you today. I'll be seeing you this coming Thursday, God willing. See you later. Bye for now.